and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all my fidget toys. Just a quick morning, ignoring the noise in the background. Me and my mom and dad are watching a movie. Okay, so the first fidget I've got is this stocking poppet. It pops. Pretty good. Yeah, very good. And I've got this rainbow hexagon poppet. Pops pretty good as well. Yeah. And then I've got another poppet. So that is blue and red circle poppet. This pops too. This is probably one of my favorite poppets. It's so fun. Okay, and then this used to be a heart in a heart shop, but it broke. So I just use it as a poppet now. So yeah, there's that. One sec. You hear me better now? I just shut my front living room doors a bit. You can hear the noise. Okay, so and I got this rainbow circle poppet. This is another good one. This is like we get in like party bags. I got this party bag. And I've got this like teal, bluish, green. It's a different color on the camera, but I promise it's like a greenish teal hexagon poppet. Yeah, that pops really well. And then this was my first ever poppet. So it's an orange square poppet. I got this for Christmas last year. Yeah, pops well ago. And then I got some like massive, not massive, but this big circle rainbow poppet. So just like a bigger size than that. But yeah, this pops well as well. It's a bit broken on the side. Where is it? Oh, here. It's a bit broken here. So we got it for very cheap in Edinburgh Airport. Okay. Moving on to mini poppets. So I got this fish mini poppet. I got this from my best friend. Shout out to Rebecca. Her YouTube channel is got her. Just like go subscribe to her. She gave me a shout out. She's my best friend. And yeah, so I got this from her. And then I've got this square rainbow poppet. Right. Okay, and then I've got this blue and like just turn it and pink flippy octopus. Which is really cool. I've always wanted one of these. And these are just jumbled, so that's fine. And then I got this, like, is this a space? I don't know, I don't play cards, but yeah, I got this. It's tiny little pops. So yeah. And then I think that's all. Okay, yeah, so that's all for mini poppets. So moving on to simple dimples. So I've got this orange and green simple dimple. Yeah, pops good. I've got this blue and green simple dimple. This has got a little hole where I can see. But yeah. This is the textured, can you see that? Orange and green one. So that pops a bit better than this one. And then I got this hard shell one, but it pops so softly, like, you can't really tell, but like, it's just much better, like, because hard shells are normally really hard, this is really soft. Okay, and then I got this stocking simple dimple, which is so good. I got that in my fidget toy advent. So yeah, that's really good. And then I got a present simple dimple. I also got that in my fidget toy advent calendar. And they both have like little dots where you can put little yellow spots in the middle. Okay, that's all for simple dimples. So now we want on my notes. Disclaimer, they are very dirty. So the first one I've got is this, I think it's like a koala. I don't know what it is. Tell me in the comments. And then this is really dirty. Like this pink worm. You can't even see the door on it. No, you can kind of, but it's so dirty. And then I got this teddy bear. This is actually, I got this in my advent calendar. This is the cleanest out of them all, so if you didn't ask her to get it. And then I also got this from my best friend, Rebecca. This is a purple fish. Right, olive on here. And then I've got this peach. Okay. So yeah, there you go. Oh, that's all. It's okay now. If you move it on to dimples. So I've got this triple dimple. The colour is green. I think it's like a red, pink, and orange. Almost in category. Tell me what that is. But a green, blue, and mystery colour. And then I got this dimple. Also got this from my best friend. It's a red, green, orange, yellow, and blue one. And it pops really well too. You don't know how much I do. I'm gonna have to do after this. Like, look. Okay, moving on to stress balls. So we've got pineapple. The head cut off, but yeah, look at his little eyes. It smells so much like the dentist. At least my dentist. And I was on call to my best friend Rebecca, and I was just like keep smelling it, but it smells so much like the dentist. Okay, and then this DNA ball. This has got like hair in it, so it's an air DNA ball. Yeah, there we go. And then I got this little slap man from I think it was The Range. Yeah, The Range. Right beside McDonald's. That's the only reason I can remember it. Yeah. And then I got this water snake in Edinburgh, like the museum. So yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh, it's got penguins in it. And then I got this yellow, like heart. Yeah. I don't know how to do a heart for a sec. Yellow flower stress ball. Okay, right, moving on to, I guess this is just random, but it's, Go Flow Snow Slime. This isn't really fidget, but I put it on my fidget basket because it's more fidget than anything else. It's like, yeah. Like, it does get all over the place. Tiny bits, but. Is that? Put the lid back on that. Oh, I just realized it's got like a scent. I'm just gonna put that down because that's probably not. Okay. And then I've got another one. Let me just check where my other one is at the back. Okay, I can't find it, but I've got a blue snake. I'm very clumsy, so I lose a lot of things, so I'm not surprised. But I've got red and white snake and a yellow and white snake. I got this one in my advent calendar. It's got a different texture. You can even see it's got different textures. Okay. And then I've got two snappers. I remember when snappers was like a big thing in my best friend got it, and I was like, oh my god, I need to trade for it. I think this one's better. But tell me in the comments. This one's a bit harder to push, where this one's just softer. But this one's also like lining. Can you see that? This one's just smooth. But tell me in the comments which one you like better. This one's a bit minier than this. But what about it? Okay. The rest of here is random. I just got this, which fell out of like my spinny dimple thing. So yeah, just that little small thing. And then I got this, yeah, I got this. And it came in a fidget toy advent calendar, so don't come at me saying it's not a fidget toy. Okay. Now down for the bottom shelf. Okay. Okay. So I've got this yellow pop chip. Headphone warning. Isn't even that bad. It's worse than it is. So there's that. Okay. got this not pea popper, not popper, not but it's kind of hard. I really like it. It's really hard. And then I've got a normal pea popper. 1 second. Okay, this really hard shell one. Oh, this one kind of pops up. But yeah, it's kind of hard. Okay. On some marble I guess. So I've got more, I think. Maybe I don't. So I've got this orange, blue, and yellow marble mesh. This one got a bit of a hole in it, I think. Can you see that? How much is that? 10. And I've got 2 zippy bracelets. One's kind of broken, so I just use it to, it doesn't even work. I just keep it anyway. Okay, now I got these, like, this is like random now. These screws and these screws. I also got from my best friend. Just make sure to subscribe. I'll put her link in the description. Okay, so I've got a pink and green one and an orange and blue one. Okay, and then I've got, these are so cute. So you put them on your like thumbs and fingers. Yeah, by the way, they are fidget again because I got them on my fidget toy advent calendar. So don't come at me saying that half of these things aren't fidgets. I would think so too, but give me a fidget toy advent calendar so I'm picking my fidget thing. Okay. Now for these weird things. I do not get how these are fidget toys at all, but I'm putting them in my basket because they came in the fidget toy advent calendar. So they're like little things. I'll try. Can I have a mess? Okay. So, where do I put it? Just make some space. Okay. So, it's supposed to like, yeah, it's supposed to go on. Like, I saw this video on TikTok where you like drop it and it's supposed to land on a one person's head. So I'm gonna try that with that. I've got 3 of them, and I've got another one, a blue one. Yeah, I've got a lot of them. Okay, monkey noodles. Oh, I dropped something. Got a lot of monkey noodles. That's one thing for sure. So, oh my gosh, they're all wiggling about. Try to pick that out with my toe. Sorry, 90 feet. So I've got this orange monkey noodle that's actually glow in the dark. Purple monkey noodle. Blue monkey noodle. This is also glow in the dark. Yellow monkey noodle. And another purple monkey noodle. Okay. Oh. I got this. Like, this is like a blue and pink infinity cube or blue and peach. I just love infinity cubes. They're so fun to play with. I'm trying to hurry up because this is a really long video and I'm not going to watch it. So I've got 2 acupressure balls. Orange one and purple one. Okay. This is so weird. I've got this chicken. Again, I got it in my advent calendar. Don't know how it is a fidget, but don't come at me. Okay. Got my silver acupressure ring. Got it in my fidget toy advent calendar. And then again, I got this in my fidget toy advent calendar. It's kind of like, I don't know what it is, but okay. I got 2 mag rings. I lost the other one. See how clumsy I am now? And then I got this blue big chain. This came in my fidget toy advent calendar, but it's not a fidget toy at all. It's these like this is a Pokemon one, and this is this. And I don't know what it does. If you know, please comment because I'm like baffled on what it does. Okay, we're nearly done. So I've got this pink fidget spinner that doesn't work, but again, I put it in my fidget thing because it doesn't have anything else. Okay, last 2. So I've got this is actually supposed to be in grass moss, but this really soft, dry, and squishy. And the last one is this remote control. So yeah, that's it. Oh, hello. Sorry, that kept going. Look at all the mess. This is a little behind the scenes. Look at all the mess. minutes to do that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you stayed till this end, you're an absolute legend. If you'd like to comment, I'm trying to think, comment a fish emoji if you stayed till the end. Don't even know if there is a fish emoji. Comment a smiley face emoji if you stayed till the end. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye!